Hi everyone. Today I'll be explaining how to retrieve stored video from Control Center Software. The first step is to click the Activate Player Mode. Up on the top it looks like a cassette. Click that. Then go down to the player and look at the date and the time. We'll use today or the 28th, and let's look at 1409, which is 2:09 p.m. Click on the Go to Date and Time just next to that. That'll bring this little red arrow over to that date as close as the video can get to that, and then we can play that. So in this box it shows the date and the time that the clip was actually made. And we can stop that. So now we know which clip we want. We can fast backward that. And if we want to zoom in, we go down to the MX display mode, MXCC display mode. Unchanged, we'll click zoomed. That'll activate the PTZ. And we can zoom in and we can pan around, see what we want to see here. And we'll keep it at that zoom level here, about there. We'll continue backing this up. Now that's where we want to start the clip, so we'll click here. There's the marker, and that's where the clip will start. Now we can play that. You can play fast forward if you want. You don't want to wait so long. Okay, clip's over. Now we go down here and add to export. Alright, it shows we start at 2:13 p.m. It stops at 2:44 p.m. And we have a choice of exporting as AVI or the MXPEG, which is a codec that Control Center is set up to use. If you use MXPEG, you can copy the application files, which will also copy the entire program, and will play with the clip all together on the program. If we use AVI, apply image post-pooting PTZ, which means that it will export the clip as we zoomed in on it, not the original size. So we'll do that. We'll use AVI, and we click export, and we have to pick a spot where we want to export it to. So we'll export it to the desktop, and we'll call it clip 2. Save it. It brings up our export box, and it's saving the clip to this destination, desktop, clip 2. Export's completed. Now we can go to the desktop and find clip 2, and it plays the clip zoomed in as we wanted it, the sound. Now if we wanted to go back, we'll go back to the same time here, and we'll play that. Okay, so we got the same clip. This time we're gonna export it as the MXPEG codec. So we'll go back here to our beginning, and we'll click the marker mode again to start the export. We'll play the clip, and we'll fast forward it, and we'll stop it at the end. Now we'll click the export, add to export button. Now instead of the AVI, let's click MXPEG, and we'll copy the application files. Export. When we do this, we have to make a folder. right click on the desktop area here, new folder, and we'll call this folder clip 2 or clip 3. Open that, and we're going to save this as clip 3. Save. It'll bring up two boxes. One of the boxes is for the clip, the other one is for the program. So it's exporting the whole program. Everything is done. We'll go back to the desktop here, and we find the file of clip 3. It will have the entire program, the MXCC program. It'll have the clip, and it'll have an executable play video. We double click on the play video. We already have MX Control Center running, so it's going to tell us it's already running, which is okay. We'll just click OK. It'll start MX Control Center in a new window and play the clip. And it'll play it over and over again. We can stop it here. Now we have the option of doing exactly what we did on our software on the clip. We can zoom in on it. And we can play it. And we can zoom it as we're playing it. All of the controls function just like on the original software. Now if we want to get a picture of that, we can go up here to print current image. This will bring it up in this window, showing the entire image and the image that we just zoomed in on. It shows the recording time here, the camera IP address, where we got the clip, and the print time. We can print this to PDF, we can print it to a printer. We can also save the current image to the desktop as a BMP or a JPEG file. So if we click on this, this just saves it to the desktop automatically, and it will bring up a picture of what we saved. That's it. Hopefully that helps. Thanks a lot.